How to turn on or turn off lock white balance on record on Blackmagic camera. So if you're using the Blackmagic camera either on your iPhone or Android, and now you want to lock the Blackmagic camera white balance so that each time you start recording, your white balance will remain as it is when you started it, even if there is change of light or reflection, then this video is going to help you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off lock white balance while recording on Blackmagic, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera on your phone. Once open the Blackmagic camera, come here, click on settings. Now on the settings page, you want to scroll down, locate lock white balance on record. So if this is disabled and I come to camera, so while recording, your Blackmagic camera white balance will adjust itself automatically, and this can affect your recordings. So to lock the white balance, just come here under settings and make sure you enable lock white balance on record, and then after that you can go back to the Blackmagic camera and then start your recording, and this is going to lock your Blackmagic camera white balance. So that's basically how to turn on or off lock white balance on record on Blackmagic. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.